What is really wrong with Kemi Olunloyo? See what he told Nigerian citizens again about the investigations he had about Nnamdi Kanu, an IPOB member. What kind of investigation? She has started again to bring false words of first investigation about Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra. Dr. Olunloyo has taken a Twitter handle again to reveal her findings about how indigenous people of Biafra are unjustly handled by Nigerian government. According to what she said to her, she still wondered how Nigerian government can prescribe an organization like IPOB, but they refuse to prescribe a faction of Buhari, a faction of Boko Haram called bandits. You can imagine this stupid woman. No wonder they say she's mentally sick, saying that they refuse to prescribe the faction of Boko Haram, but planning to prescribe an organization like IPOB or Biafra. You can imagine the stupid talk she's saying. So they prefer, it's not their fault because these Boko Haram victims and herdsmen, they have not invaded their houses, killed them and burned down their houses. This is why they are making mouth and supporting this terrorist group. Imagine. She reveals that she warned the government about what they want to do or what they wanted to do since 2018. Why they want to prescribe IPOB, it told them never to do that. That people that should be prescribed are Boko Harams and not IPOB. You can imagine. She said on her trip to Port Harcourt that she found out that lots of IPOB members, both boys and girls, are being incarcerated because they took part in a separatist rally. He took part in separatist rally, and she said that this was done after the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, was released from prison. Many are still in prison because of this rally, according to what Kemi Olunloyo has just said now. He said they told her how security operatives killed a lot of them in the rally, coming out from prison after the investigation, that she discovered that what happened was a genocide, which she notified Amnesty. You can imagine, the army denied it, but Kemi Olunloyo says never, that is going to reveal this to the public. You can imagine. So now that she has revealed it, what is now the outcome of it? You can imagine what the things that don't even have solutions. That is what she talks about. You can imagine. You can imagine this nonsense. This is why they said she has a mental problem, because she doesn't know what she says or she's saying. Before the rally, they warned IPOB that Buhari will make them a terrorist group, a Nigerian journalist. Imagine. So the media did not even touch IPOB story in 2016, except the HNN African and others. They deem it sensitive. She also said that she wanted IPOB to stop displaying what they are accused of after. They are accused of. Then after Justice Abdul Jarafati, I believe you still remember this man. After Justice Abdul Jarafati prescribed them as terrorist group. All these things said by Kemi Olunloyo, I don't understand. What has Nnamdi Kanu done to her? I know she's not after IPOB because of IPOB or whatever. It's after IPOB because of Buhari. She also apologized to all IPOB members and Nnamdi Kanu for antagonizing them since last 3 years. You can imagine. She's one criticizing IPOB member. She's still coming to apologize. This woman must be stupid. She must be mad. So that's why people said they will no longer listen to whatever she says about Nnamdi Kanu. That was when she said Nnamdi Kanu is dead or was dead. That the person in Aso Rock is not Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of people say so many things. It says so many things about Nnamdi Kanu, negative things. Now she's coming here to say that the government shouldn't have proscribed IPOB members. The people they should have proscribed are the Boko Harams. You can imagine. So you have heard what she said. Let us listen to full investigation from Kemi Oloyo and also the reactions of some Nigerian citizens after hearing what she just said. The Nigerian government needs to pay proper attention to the national security regarding IPOB. When I was in Port Harcourt prison, I discovered a lot that I have not even spoken about. First, I want to apologize for antagonizing IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu for 3 years. You have heard what Kemi Oloyo, the statement he made. Another statement she made, she said, many are still in prison because of this rally case, that they told her that the Nigerian army killed a lot of them at the rally, coming out of prison and investigating, that she discovered that it was genocide and notified Amnesty. You can imagine all this nonsense thing she's saying, that she met many IPOB boys and girls in and interviewed any one of them, that they were incarcerated because they took part in the separatist rally after Nnamdi Kanu was released from prison in 2015. So you have heard what she said. Let us listen to the reactions of Nigerian citizens. Just one or two reactions. One of them said, IPOB was prescribed out of hatred, apart from what this journalist is saying. This journalist is saying 80% of Nigerians knew that it was wrongly done because of the hatred they have for the Igbos. But thank God that things are coming up, the secret of President Muhammadu Buhari and every other things that I have coming out one by one. Another person also said, please, Kemi Oloyo, how much did they pay you for being antagonizers? This is not fair. This is unfair. An educated person like you shouldn't be saying this. Instead of you to join the voice of truth, you are joining lies, all because of what? Money. How much will they give you that will not finish? How much will they give you that you will not eat and pass the feces out? Imagine that. Nnamdi Kanu, according to what this said, he said Nnamdi Kanu is the Messiah and prophet of Biafra and Nigeria. So what is he prescribed? What he prophesied in the past few years against Arewa and their multi military group of deaths and kidnapping for ransom. This is daily manifesting. They are manifesting. So shame to those who labeled Nnamdi Kanu or IPOB members a terrorist group for speaking and acting the truth, for not supporting evil. So viewers, you have heard it all. What is your take on this? Your comment concerning this news will be very much appreciated. Drop them below the comment box, click on the subscription button as well as the bell button for more updates. Thank you.